line in life is, and to follow the norm is usual. A lot of us do that. Many of us don't want to, but still end up doing that. But quietly, with a lot of dignity, carving your own space and defining your own space and being secure in it, in the insecure world, is an extremely difficult task. This is something that Vidya Balan has very beautifully done. Thank you very, very much, Vidya, for talking to me on Chai Chat. Welcome.
What a lovely introduction. Thank you.
Yes. And I insisted that I speak to you and take your interview because you've been absolutely with such dignity done what you have done.
Well, thank you.
And carved your own space.
Out with a swollen head, thanks to you.
Not at all. Apart from the fact that you're a Padma Shri, and I don't know how many film fairs, I've lost count, sorry, and I know a film and a national award.
Right,
That's not true.
Right.
Vidya, you actually have, you get all these very intelligent women roles.
Yes. Women are extremely intelligent.
No, we have the quirky one as well, no? Kangana somewhere. And she says psycho.
She's also hugely intelligent.
Yes, no, she's hugely intelligent indeed. So, ये आपको आते हैं या आप खुद चुनती हैं? How does this happen to you?
I think it's a two-way process, you know. I get offered these kind of roles and films, and मैं इनकी तरफ खींची चली जाती हूँ. You know, तो I think it's this desire I've put out into the universe that's manifesting itself. Because मेरे इर्द गिर्द, हम सब के आसपास इतनी सारी प्रतिभाशाली औरतें हैं कि जब उनकी कहानी कहने का मौका मिलता है तो मैं वो मौका कभी नहीं छोड़ती.
Grab it with both hands and hug it. That's and it shows, you know. It shows. In fact, Mission Mangal for me was only Mangal because of you. I'm sorry to say, but that's true.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
And आपने पूरी तल के वो भेज दिया rocket को. But can I just say that Vidya is here for Shakuntala Devi?
It's a very special film. Every film is special. Yeah. I must tell you that. But Shakuntala Devi is very special because of the woman she was.
स्कूल तुझे क्या सिखाएगा? तू उल्टा स्कूल को ही सिखा देगी.
मैंने एक आदमी को गोली मार दी थी. क्या हुआ? पोहा खाइए ना.
What is it that you love about being on stage?
People's face when they see a girl in chotis doing maths.
Choti?
Choti.
Oh.
372891.
How do you do it?
923.
How are you doing this?
How? 2773730.
Mr. V just made it to the Guinness Book of World Records.
I was correct. The computer was wrong.
And that's why they named you the human computer.
इतने इंटेलिजेंट और गुड लुकिंग आदमी का बेबी चाहिए ना मुझे.
कब लाऊं बारा?
बेबी चाहिए था, पति नहीं.
10 साल बाबा आप भूल सकते हैं पर मैं नहीं. 10 साल तक माँ ने मुझे आपसे दूर रखा. जितना प्यार आप मैथ से करती है, उसका आधा भी अगर आप मुझसे करती तो.
तुमने मुझसे मेरा मैथ्स छोड़वा दिया.
अपनी बेटी की देखभाल करने के लिए आपको नोबेल प्राइज मिलना चाहिए.
तुम्हारी माँ ने अपनी पावर ऑफ अटर्नी का इस्तेमाल करके तुम्हारी सारी प्रॉपर्टीज बेच दी.
वो लड़ाई चाहती थी, अब उन्हें जंग लड़नी होगी. आप बाकी माउंट्स की तरह नॉर्मल क्यों नहीं हो सकती है?
जब अमेजिंग हो सकती हूँ तो नॉर्मल क्यों बनूं?
बोलो बेटा 1 2 3 4.
मैं कभी नहीं हारती. Always remember that.
बोलो बेटा.
So do you want me to give you the answer from left to right or right to left? I'll give it to you from right to left. 496395555. Am I correct?
Absolutely correct.
कभी-कभी होता है कि बहुत ही दिलचस्प पर्सनालिटी होती है किसी की, पर उनकी जो जर्नी होती है वो उतनी दिलचस्प नहीं होती. पर इसमें दोनों का जो एक मिश्रण है वो बहुत मज़ेदार है. तो जब अनु मेनन जो डायरेक्टर हैं इस फिल्म की वो मेरे पास आई, उन्होंने मुझे थोड़ा बहुत संक्षेप में बताया इनके बारे में और मैंने कहा ऐसे भी औरतें होती हैं। मतलब, और उस जमाने में अगर उन्होंने अपनी जिंदगी अपने शर्तों पे जी इस तरह से कि उन्हें कभी शर्मिंदगी महसूस नहीं हुई, कभी झिझक महसूस नहीं हुई, तो मुझे लगा कि ये तो कहानी सुनाई जानी चाहिए। मैं खुद अगर इससे प्रेरित हो रही हूँ तो लोग और कितना प्रेरित होंगे ये फिल्म देखकर। और ज़रूरी बात यह है कि ये इनका बहुत अच्छा सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर था। और आप कभी जब मैथ्स के बारे में सोचते हैं तो आपको ह्यूमर कभी आप उसके साथ एसोसिएट नहीं करते, पर इनका ये बहुत लीथल कॉम्बिनेशन था, मैथ्स एंड ह्यूमर। और बहुत, मतलब किस तरह से बताऊं उनको, it's very difficult to describe her. She's really indescribable. She was this, that and the other. उन्होंने जिंदगी हर पल में पूरी तरह जी, तो इतना सब कुछ था। आई रिमेंबर अनु मेनन सिंह और नैनिका मेहतानी और इशिता मोइत्रा जो राइटर्स हैं, उन्होंने कहा क्या रखें क्या नहीं, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, क्योंकि इतना सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन है, इतने अचीवमेंट्स है, पर पर्सनालिटी भी उतनी ही लार्जर देन लाइफ है। तो आई थिंक फाइनली वी हैड टू कॉम्प्रोमाइज अ लॉट, कुछ रखना था, कुछ निकालना था, पर आई थिंक वी आर फाइनली टेलिंग अ स्टोरी व्हिच विल गिव पीपल एटलीस्ट अ ग्लिम्स ऑफ व्हाट, हाउ हर माइंड वर्कड एंड हाउ अमेजिंग दिस वुमन वाज।
I remember शकुंतला देवी, I was very little. वो दूरदर्शन पे जब न्यू ईयर्स के प्रोग्राम आते थे या बाद में आते थे, धड़ 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 धड़।
अच्छा, मैंने कभी देखा नहीं।
I remember.
Right, but lots of people have told me, और पता है फिल्म अनाउंस होने के बाद so many people told me, अरे I've met her, I went to her for an astrological appointment, and or someone else said I saw her at school, she visited my school for a show, someone else said, and I'm like, कितने लोग मिल चुके हैं उनसे, मैं ही नहीं मिली लगता है।
आपने तो किरदार ही निभा दिया। अच्छा एक बात बताइए, मैथ्स में मैं तो बहुत ही फिसड्डी थी। When I got 68% after a lot of tuition, my maths teacher came and congratulated me and not the one who got 99. So that was my आपका क्या सीन है?
I used to like maths,
Yeah?
but I'm a South Indian, तो वो ये कोई बड़ी बात नहीं। But I used to, but I must admit that मैं maths आजकल यूज ही कहाँ होता है। आपको कुछ भी करना होता है तो आप कैलकुलेटर फोन पे जाके आप कैलकुलेट कर लेते हो। But thanks to this film I've realized that more than maths I like numbers, right? And thanks to this film my love for numbers has gotten rekindled.
Oh, that's amazing. क्योंकि कई बोलते हैं ना कि आपने ये फिल्म करी तो क्या तैयारी करी, तो आपने टाइम स्टेबल
नहीं, पर it's gotten rekindled. मैं खुल के नहीं बता सकती because then I'll be revealing aspects of the film. But the most important thing that struck me about this is that she made maths fun. I've actually enjoyed the.
So you did all this math, जैसे सीखा आपने?
सीखा नहीं, आंसर्स तो उनके पास रेडीमेड थे मेरे लिए, पर I of course had to brush up on some concepts.
And techniques.
Yeah, some things, and I've learned a few things also in this film.
तो मतलब अब बच्चों को आप
मेरे
Technique.
दो हैं ना, मेरी बहन के जुड़वे बच्चे हैं, और एक लड़की एक लड़का, तो उनको मैं ये सब सिखाने वाली हूँ वापस बॉम्बे
मैं
जाकर।
अपने भी भेज देती हूँ।
हाँ जरूर, मैं क्लासेस शुरू कर देती हूँ, शकुंतला देवी कोचिंग क्लासेस।
नहीं, विद्या बलान, विद्या शकुंतला, नहीं शकुंतला विद्या से शकुंतला, शकुंतला से विद्या तक। नाम भी आपका ऐसे ही है। अच्छा विद्या, मैंने जब आपके बारे में थोड़ा पढ़ा, so I've realized that you have gone through a certain amount of struggle, है ना, जिसमें आपको जिंक्स बोला गया या कई सारी चीजें। How would you deal with that at that? क्योंकि जब इतना डाउनफॉल होता है, how do you keep that trust in you?
बहुत गुस्सा आता था, बहुत रोती थी, मम्मी के साथ बहुत झगड़ती थी, क्योंकि कुछ भी दुनिया में हो तो it was mom's fault. You know how daughters and mothers are. पर I think my love for acting saw me through all of that. My faith in myself saw me through all of that. My faith in the fact that the universe finally rewards you saw me through all of that. My family saw me through all of that.
Absolutely. अच्छा, कई दफ़ा हम कहते हैं, जैसे हमारी लाइफ में भी होता है, इट्स नॉट ऑलवेज वॉट यू वॉन्ट इज़ वॉट यू नीड, है ना? और आप पीछे देख के देखते हैं, अच्छा ये इसलिए नहीं हुआ.
You know, what I've realized in life is, जब आपको चाहते हैं और वो नहीं होता ना, वो इसीलिए नहीं होता क्योंकि something better is in store. If you believe that, you'll be able to see when that something better happens. पर अगर आपको लगता है कि नहीं, एक बहुत छोटी सी कहानी मैं सुनाऊँ आपको. मैंने एक कहानी पढ़ी जहाँ एक लड़का अपने, you know, his mother passes away and his father is, you know, this businessman, and he doesn't know how to deal with a child all by himself, but they're really moneyed, so नौकर चाकर हैं, सब हैं. He goes away, he travels all the time. He's never there for the son, but and the child's needs are taken care of. The day before his 18th birthday, he calls his son into the study and says, tomorrow you're turning 18, what do you want? I've never really asked you what you want, so what is it that you want? And the son is quite detached from the father, so he asks for a materialistic thing. He says, I want so and so car, the latest car in the market. So the father says, fine. He says, I won't be here, I'll be traveling, but I'll leave the gift for you in this study. He says, fine. So the next day, on the 18th birthday, the boy walks into the study and there's a gift, you know, wrapped gift, and he opens it and suddenly he sees a Bible. And he's like, he gets so angry with his father. He throws the Bible because उसको लगता है कि, you know, एक तो चीज़ मैंने मांगी थी, वो भी उन्होंने नहीं दी, और वो घर छोड़ के चला जाता है. He doesn't keep in touch with his father, blah blah blah. Then a little later he gets to know that his father has passed away, and you know, he's asked to come back to figure out all the paperwork, घर वर, एक लौता बच्चा है. When he comes back, he's going through all the stuff at home and he sees a Bible again, and you know, he just picks up the Bible. When he picks up the Bible, something on the back of it feels strange, so he turns the back and the key has been stuck to the back of the Bible, but he didn't see the key because it was not on top. So sometimes we don't know how our blessings are wrapped. What a beautiful story, na?
What a beautiful, I'll always remember. मैं बहुत सीखती हूँ जब मैं इंटरव्यू करती हूँ, तो ये मैं आपसे सीख के जा रही हूँ. It's beautiful. When you look back on your life, how do you figure out कि क्या आप, क्यों हुआ ऐसा जो हुआ?
I think जो हुआ अच्छा हुआ, जैसे हुआ अच्छा हुआ. दिल टूटा तब भी अच्छा था.
वो तो बहुत ज़रूरी है.
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल. And I don't mean just in relationships, but you know, even in my career, ups and downs होते हैं, सब ठीक है. Because as long as you believe that something better will happen for you, trust me, it will.
होप कहाँ पे लाइन खींचनी है और कितना उस पे सवार करना है.
It really depends on whether you see the glass half full or half empty. I always see it half full.
That I can see that now. अच्छा, एक बात बताइए कि it is very difficult in Bollywood. It's a very tricky world of cinema. There are lots of insecurities around. When I feel an evolution of Vidya. I see in your films the way you've portrayed yourself, the way you've chosen it. Was there a moment where you felt कि नहीं ये मैं हूँ और मैं यही यहाँ रहूँगी यहाँ? How did that realization come?
I think it was around 2008. किस्मत कनेक्शन और हे बेबी के बाद बहुत criticism मिला for the way I looked in the films. And फिल्में तो बहुत चली दोनों, पर मुझे बहुत criticism मिला. और suddenly, you know, just I was not getting that many film offers. तो मुझे लगा कि career कहीं शुरू होने से पहले ख़त्म तो नहीं हो गया. And then Ishqiya came my way. And there were some people who said, don't be ridiculous, you can't do a film opposite, you know, someone like a Nasir Saab. You know, he's so much older than you. And I said, forget it. My instinct was saying, just go ahead and do this film. It's a fabulous story. It's a fabulous character. And you're getting to work with Nasir Saab and Arshad, you know. So I followed my instinct and did it. And that worked out well. So And I've realized in life that whenever I've followed my instinct, it's worked out well for me. कभी कभी भटक जाते हैं वो, that's natural, you know, you're human. But as long as you come back to where you, to your authentic self, to your true self, I think that's all that matters.
What brings you back? That's what I'm very much interested in. क्योंकि ये हम सब के साथ होता है, हमारे साथ भी होता है. हम चल रहे हैं, हम बोल रहे हैं कि ये बेहतर है, ये अच्छा है. You just become like that. How do you be yourself? What brings you back to your true self and says कि मैं यहीं टिकूंगी और ये जो होगा इसी से
I think that's a process of every time. जब आप भटकते हैं ना, you have to, कुछ देर के लिए भटकना अच्छा होता है. Don't fight it. भटक जाओ. At some point you'll come back. You know, because we are fighting the bhatakna, we are fighting everything all the time. We are fighting ourselves.
Yes, all the time.
But when you stop fighting yourself and say, "Acha, theek hai, it's okay. I'm unhappy. I don't know." Because when you're going through that, you don't know what you're going through, na? You don't know कि आप भटक रहे हैं. But I think it's just important to surrender, and you'll find your way back to yourself. Where will you go? कहाँ जाओगे?
And how beautifully have you found it back? And you're so wonderfully spaced. बस वहीं रहिए विद्या. So beautiful you are, and you're, as a person, the person that you are shows on the screen.
Oh, thank you. That's a lovely compliment.
Yes, and I have I love your voice, I love your face, and I love your work.
Thank
है ना,
you.
तीनों चीजें. And ये मस्का नहीं मार रही हूँ, by the way. I don't do this to many people. Tony has seen me interviewing many. I wish you so very best for Shakuntala Devi.
Thank you,
Vidya Balan, a very favorite actress of mine. How did you like the show? Please Twitter me at Lavina Tandon. You can write to me on shychat@ashtak.com. Thank you. Take care and God bless.
मैं कभी नहीं हारती. Always remember that. So do you want me to give you the answer from left to right or right to left? I'll give it to you from right to left. 4, 9, 6, 3, 9, 5, 5, 5. Am I correct?
Absolutely correct.
That's pretty dramatic.
The Indians are like that only. Drama or nothing.